How to set up a recurring task on ClickUp. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set up a recurring task on ClickUp. So log into your ClickUp account and enter your workspace. After coming to the respective workspace, you have to add a task. So just click on add task. Once you click on add task, you have to write the name. For example, if I just write down new task, and after that click on that. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this interface. You can either assign this task to any other person if you have them in your workspace, and then you can click on this date. Now you can see the date is empty right now, so you can just click on this empty and this thing will pop up in front of you. So you can either select today, later, tomorrow, next week, next weekend, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 8 weeks, or set recurring. So you need to set recurring over here. So recurring can be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, days after, or custom. Now custom specifically means that if you wish the task to recur for every 7th of the month, or after every 2 days, or after every 3 days, so that's all up to you. So for example, if I wish to select weekly, so I'm just going to click on recurring and select weekly. So when closed triggers the recurrence when the task is moved to the last status, and when done triggers the recurrence when the task is moved to any done or complete status. And then we have on schedule, which recur on schedule regardless of whether the task is done. So if I wish to make my task on schedule, after clicking on that, I'll have to select the date till when the task needs to be due. So for example, if I select 25 or 19, any of it for example, and here I have to set the start date. So the start date, if I set this, and after that now start date and the due date is selected, and all you have to do is just click on save. Now here you can see that it is December 5 to December 19, and this arrow means that the task is recurring, that it needs to recur weekly because I've set weekly recurrence to it. If you wish to edit the due date, you can just click on that and edit that according to your own choice. So that was how you can set up a recurrence task on ClickUp. If you liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.